Ничего себе.
Чему? Все, идем. Это центральная дорога. 4 полосы.
Ничего себе. Уху.
Сейчас приедет. Такого супруга я еще не видел. До 7-го этажа.
Oh God, I can't open the door. The snow. It's buried us alive. This is not a scene from a disaster movie. This is the reality on the ground right now in Kamchatka, Russia. The Far East Peninsula, a land already hardened by some of the most brutal winters on Earth, is currently in the grip of a snow apocalypse that defies historical records. What began as a standard cyclone from the Sea of Okhotsk has mutated into a meteorological siege, dumping nearly 2 months' worth of precipitation in under 48 hours. Today, the city of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky isn't just snowed in. It has effectively vanished under a suffocating blanket of white.
Камчатка. Машины не видно. По завалам все. Бедный еле-еле уходит с подснега. Пурга метет конкретно. Ничего не видно на дороге. Все спрятались. Сейчас маленько. Mana onu odamlar qor ko'ylab mashinasini oqtaryapti. Mana yo'llarda yo'l yo'q. Mana. Biz tom yuribmiz. O odamlar.
The visual impact is surreal and terrifying. Reports coming out of the region confirm that snowdrifts have reached the second, and in some cases, the third stories of apartment complexes. The infrastructure has been rendered unrecognizable. Roads have disappeared, replaced by white canyons where cars lie buried like sarcophagi, their locations marked only by the faint outline of windshield wipers.
балконом люди откапываются. И там еще метет по чуть-чуть. Как метет? Поземка. Вон, смотри. Ну, капец.
Residents are quite literally digging tunnels, mole-like networks through 3 meters of packed powder, just to reach the street. But the danger is coming from above as well as below. The sheer weight of the accumulation has turned rooftops into loaded weapons. Tragic reports confirm that at least 2 men have been killed, crushed by massive urban avalanches sliding off building eaves. A grim reminder that in this environment, gravity is as deadly as the cold.
Assalomu alaykum. Mana bugun 15-yanvar. Petropavlsk Kamchatka 2026-yil. U qani odamlar yaqinlashtirsa bo'ladi? Mana. Mana uni odamlar qor ko'ylab mashinasini oqtaryapti. Yo'llarda yo'l yo'q. Mana. Biz tom kirib yuribmiz. Odamlar. Uni bolacha maza qilib o'ynayapti qorda. Odamni bo'yidan baland qorda tashashini qarang.
Emergency services are operating in what can only be described as a war zone against the elements. Standard ambulances and police cruisers are useless here. The local government has deployed heavy, 6-wheel drive Ural trucks and military-grade tracked vehicles to serve as makeshift taxis and ambulances. In one heart-wrenching instance, paramedics were forced to carry a patient on a stretcher for nearly 1,000 yards through waist-deep drifts because their vehicle simply could not breach the wall of snow. The mayor has declared a state of emergency, but with visibility reduced to 0 and the winds still howling, the response is agonizingly slow.
Сугроб до 9 этажа. Ничего себе.
Вот это да, сугроб до 9 этажа. Как в сказке, только страшновато. Даже фонари еле торчат, тихо все.
На Норильске все как обычно. Сугроб до 9 этажа, а они на лыжах катаются. До 9 этажа. Ничего себе.
Под балконом люди откапываются. И там еще метет.
play out the coupe at the lot. Turn for 12 for SWAT. Busting out bells out the butt.
The economic paralysis is absolute. Schools are shuttered, flights are grounded, and businesses are dark. But the deeper strain is on the supply chain. With the roads impassable, delivery trucks cannot restock local markets. Shelves are beginning to empty of essentials like bread and milk, creating a rising tide of anxiety among a population trapped in their homes. The psychological toll of the darkness, combined with the physical imprisonment of the drifts, is testing the sanity of thousands. And yet, the spirit of Kamchatka remains unbroken. Social media is flooded with videos of neighbors digging out the elderly, sharing food supplies through second-floor windows, and even finding dark humor in the absurdity of their situation. This is a region defined by its ruggedness. As the cyclone finally begins to rotate away, leaving a frozen, buried landscape in its wake, the people of the Far East are doing what they have always done, surviving the whiteout, shovel by shovel, waiting for the sun to return. For now, however, Kamchatka remains a prisoner of the snow.